Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful Memorial Day weekend, and the first thing I want to do is to thank you for opting in to get more information about how you can actually make money working from home with your mobile device. Okay, so what I want to ask you guys to do right now is to put away all distractions, sit back, and give me just a few minutes of your time while we start talking about how to make money working from home with your mobile device. Okay, so again, I want to thank you guys for opting in. So guys, let's go over a few important things that I want to cover, that I want you guys to actually pay strict attention to as we start talking about making money from or with your mobile device. Now, the Pew Research Center, guys, they're a group of people, affiliates who actually do research, okay, on all types of trends and companies and what's going on in the world, just in terms of statistics, okay. So we're going to talk about a few statistics real quick. I'm going to talk about why you should be excited about learning more on getting more information on how you can actually make money from your mobile device. Okay, so on this fact sheet, guys, what the Pew Research Center is talking about are the amount of people, right, who actually own mobile devices. Okay, and so for anybody who wants to actually pick this actual fact sheet up and go over it and kind of prove to yourself that these numbers are true, guys, feel free. I'll leave a link where you guys can actually go pick this actual information up, guys. But let's jump down here and let's look at who owns these mobile devices and these cell phones and these smartphones. Actually, a minimum of 97% of all the people in the world, guys, right, have a mobile device of some sort. 85% on smartphones. But the point is, you can see by these numbers, guys, that everybody and their mother right, has a mobile device. So why am I excited? Why should you be excited about what I'm about to present you with, guys? Because today we're going to start talking about how you guys can actually get in on the excitement, the fun, and the profit of a company known as Instant Recall. We're going to talk about how to create some automated residual income by sharing our Instant Recall database location app, guys. And so right under this video, you guys are going to be able to click through and get all the information you need about how you're going to be able to get started with this actual opportunity. I can tell you guys that once you watch this video, setting up your Instant Recall account is going to be as simple as going over to the Google Play Store and a Google app, and I'm going to give you guys an actual link where you can actually go right to the actual app, and you're going to need what's known as an inviters code, and you'll find my inviters code right here. That's going to allow you to actually be able to click through and set up an Instant Recall account. Right now, what happens with the Instant Recall account, guys? Okay, you're going to find that out when you actually unlock this video and you go through the actual information on this video. But what I want to talk to you guys about is how, when you see something like this, you need to say something, right? Because you've already seen the numbers just in terms of the amount of people who are on their mobile devices. So in a nutshell, guys, my question to you is, why not cash in on those numbers, okay? You already have a mobile device. The information that you have on your actual mobile device, when you start talking about apps, is already being sold to companies all over the world, right? Whether you know it or not. A lot of that data, if you will. And so now, guys, what we're going to give you an opportunity to do is to actually cash in on the distribution of the information that's being bought and sold all over the world from actual location database information that's on the mobile device, if that makes sense, right? Very simple and easy to do. If you can share what I'm about to show you guys with 10 people, guys, you can earn yourself in excess of $5,610 each and every single month with just 10 people joining you on 4 levels in this opportunity, right? Now, guys, there's a calculator right here. And I think I'm going to jump over to the calculator real quick. And I want you guys to see what the actual earning potential could be, right? And we're talking about just 4 people, or 10 people, right, on 4 levels. But let's just go with 5, guys. Let's keep it moderate, right? And calculate 5 people, right, on 4 levels and do a calculation. And that would be somewhere in the neighborhood of $3,112 a month with just 5 people. Now I'm going to leave the calculator on that actual page so you guys can go back. I want you guys to remember these vital statistics on how many people are on their mobile devices, because if you understand that, then you'll understand that the world, this is a universal opportunity, is your playground. The world is your potential with an opportunity like this is totally an opportunity with no ceiling. And so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you guys how, if you see something, how to start sharing it with people, right? And how you can actually tap into this incredible opportunity. I'm going to show you guys a proven strategy for generating traffic and leads. That's people to actually introduce this opportunity to every single day of the week, if that makes sense, right? I'm going to show you guys how to do it using what I call my big banner ads marketing strategy. The way that you guys found me was through a banner ad right now, right? But we're going to talk about a million and one other ways you can actually get in front of people, right? But we're going to show you this way. This is how we're gonna open this up, right? We're going to talk about doing it with simple banner advertising. So let me tell you about what's going to happen when you join inside of this incredible opportunity. I'm going to give you the big banner ads marketing strategy, and you'll be able to find all types of resources inside of the big banner ads marketing strategy. I'm going to give you guys absolutely free to get the word out, right? To share this incredible opportunity with other people. Very simple. You already on your mobile device. Well, let's start showing you how, if you see something and you see something, right, guys? You see this, how you can start sharing this with the tens of thousands, actually millions of people who have mobile devices, right? Because remember, right, these mobile devices, right, you've got seen the statistics. We already know that millions upon millions of people have mobile devices. So we know that millions upon millions of people are our potential prospects. I got all kinds of great ways to share this. By the way, you can use my big banner ads marketing strategy to market and promote anything that you actually want to market and promote. But you're going to get that. And that way, guys, we're going to be able to unlock. Can you guys hear me? You hear me? I'm tongue tied, right? Because in my mind, guys, one of the simplest and easiest ways to start making money from home is to have an opportunity, number one, where the audience, where your potential prospects has no ceiling, right? Number two, if you can share that particular opportunity with people and earn money from it, right, then it's really very little resistance in terms of you joining that particular opportunity, right? Because you got your audience that's already in place, right? You have a product and a service, so to speak, and so now you're able to simply share it with other people. Now, again, you guys came through this page. You guys know how you found me. Now, when I open up this training to you guys, right, you guys are going to see how you can start placing these banner ads and how you can start generating leads and traffic. And you guys have also seen the calculator. Let's jump back a little bit. Let me show you guys one other thing I want you guys to make sure you guys really, really, really understand. Okay, so I've already got a primary business. Why would I want to promote something else? Well, because, guys, we talk about zero resistance, right? Now, I will tell you guys that there's a $3.99 subscription fee attached to this opportunity, but that's the way that we get paid, guys, okay? And that's actually implemented by Google App Store and Google Play Store. They're actually implementing the $3.99 subscription, but that's pennies, really pennies, because now you're going to be paid $1 for just downloading the app and having it on your mobile device every month that you keep the app on your mobile device. And for everybody that you invite that keeps the app on their mobile device, right, every month, another $1, and respectively 50 cents on levels 3 and 4. And so you can easily make up for that in no time at all. But it gets even better, because what I've allowed you guys to do is I'm actually creating a replicated website. On that replicated website, guys, right, you'll see all the bonuses that you're getting, number one. But this is the replicated website that you're going to actually get. It's going to be your site, right? This is mine. And if someone else is sending you this page, they'll send you a page like this. That'll be theirs. But the point is, I'm going to create the page for you. You're going to have your instant recall invite code. There it is, the referral code, right on the page, right? You're going to be able to use these resources on the Facebook groups, right? Or the buy and sell ads directly. Did I show you guys that? Let me go back for a minute. Guys, I just added this to the big banner ads marketing strategy. The buy and sell ads directory. You're really going to want to see this. I'm going to be putting some videos up on it, guys. We're talking about our media partners, right? A lot of people don't understand that when you start talking about traffic and lead generation, that when you understand how to get traffic through media, and you can partner with these particular companies, right? These platforms that advertise this, has this kind of advertising for pennies on the dollar, then you can really tilt the scales in terms of getting more people, more eyeballs on your opportunity. Again, you guys can see, right, how excited I am, because I got miles to go before I sleep and lots more videos to do, because I'm throwing all this training together in one place, guys. And believe me, you're going to want it, whether you want to use it for your existing business opportunity, and we're going to talk about that one in a bit, or you just want to use it to share the instant recall opportunity. But here's the thing. If you have an existing business opportunity, guys, I'm going to take your business opportunity when I create that page for you, and I'm going to put a actual button for it right down here. That way that your potential prospects can click here. They'll be able to see your primary biz op. So now, guys, you got them coming, you got them going, right? I don't care if you're already promoting and marketing something. You can promote it and market while you're promoting instant recall. You get the replicated website. You get all the big bonuses. And we talk about the big banner ads marketing strategy. We talk about the 1 million ways to market. Those are some different techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you can use. You're never going to run out of places to get traffic. You're never going to run out of places to get leads. You're never going to run out of potential prospects, right? And this is just a great time to position yourself right now for this opportunity, guys. So I want to thank you again for opting into the page. Right below this page, guys, will be a button. Click the button. Watch this actual this short presentation, guys. Get super pumped up. Get super excited. Zero resistance. We're talking about $3.99 a month for a potential lifetime of residual income. Anyway, thanks so much for your time, guys. If you subscribe, you'll actually be inside of all the members area. You can access this information at any time. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside of my members area. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the inside. As always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle with no limits. I'll see you guys on the inside.